What is Printify and how does it work? Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to introduce you to a really useful platform, especially if you're looking to start making money online with zero upfront investment. It's called Printify, and it's changing the way people create and sell custom products. What is Printify? Printify is a print-on-demand service that lets you design and sell custom products, like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and a lot more, without having to print or ship anything yourself. Basically, you focus on the design and promotion, and Printify takes care of the rest, from production to packaging to delivery. How does it work? Choose a product from Printify's catalog. They have hundreds, supplied by print providers all over the world. Upload your design or logo. You can use your own file or create something directly in their design editor. Connect your store, for example, to Etsy, Shopify, or even your personal website. When someone makes a purchase, Printify automatically receives the order, prints it, and ships it to your customer. You earn the profit, which is the difference between your selling price and the product cost. Why choose Printify? No need to hold inventory. No upfront costs. Huge variety of products and print providers. Competitive prices. Easy integration with major e-commerce platforms. Great for building your own brand. My personal tip. If you're an artist, a content creator, or someone with creative ideas, you can start selling right away. All you need is internet access and a bit of creativity. Affiliate link in the description. If you want to try Printify for yourself, I've added my affiliate link in the video description below. Signing up through that link helps support the channel and lets me keep creating helpful content like this. Final thoughts. Printify is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to start a side hustle or even build a full brand online without taking financial risks. If you've ever thought about selling your own merch or designs, this is the perfect place to begin. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss future videos. Start your own print-on-demand business with Printify.